Have you ever thought about how you could double your savings without making huge sacrifices or major lifestyle changes? In a world where living expenses seem to rise faster than your paycheck, finding clever ways to increase your savings is more important than ever. Luckily, small shifts in your spending and saving habits can result in significant long-term wealth accumulation. In this guide, we'll explore 5 simple yet highly effective money habits that can help you grow your savings in 2026. These strategies are designed to integrate seamlessly into your daily routine without overwhelming you or requiring drastic changes. 1. The subscription sweep automation. Do you ever find yourself paying for subscriptions you no longer use, like forgotten streaming services, gym memberships, or apps you've abandoned? These zombie subscriptions can quietly drain your finances, often without you even noticing. In 2026, one of the easiest ways to boost your savings is to automate the process of identifying and canceling these subscriptions. We've all been there, signing up for a service with the best intentions, only to forget about it as time passes. Over the months, these small recurring payments can easily add up, often unnoticed in your monthly budget. Whether it's a streaming service, a workout app, or a magazine subscription, these fees may feel insignificant on their own, but they can quickly add up to hundreds of dollars over the course of the year. In fact, research shows that people unknowingly waste a significant portion of their income on subscriptions they don't even use. This is where automation can make a world of difference. By using an AI-driven financial manager, you can stop manually auditing your subscriptions every month. These tools work by scanning your accounts for recurring charges and identifying services you haven't used in the past 30 days. They can even detect forgotten subscriptions or memberships you might not remember signing up for. Once the tool flags these subscriptions, you can set it up to automatically cancel them for you. The beauty of this is that it requires little to no effort once it's set up. The tool will take care of everything, and you won't have to worry about missing a subscription or paying for something you don't need anymore. The best part? The exact dollar amount you were paying for these unused services, whether it's $5 or $50, can then be immediately redirected into a high-yield savings account or an investment fund. By doing this, you'll be putting that lost money to good use, allowing it to grow and compound over time. This habit doesn't require any extra effort from your side once it's set up. You won't even feel the loss because you weren't actively using the service anyway. And the longer you stick with this habit, the more money you'll free up for other financial goals. Automating this process takes just a little upfront work but can yield significant results in the long run. Over time, the money you save from cutting out unused subscriptions can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year, dollars that will be safely growing in your savings or investment account, where they can earn interest or appreciate in value. By removing the drain of unnecessary subscriptions, you're essentially giving yourself a raise without lifting a finger. 2. Digital change multipliers. If you've ever used a standard roundup feature in your banking app, e.g., rounding $4.50 to $5, you know the small change can add up. However, in 2026, we're taking this concept to the next level. Instead of a simple roundup, consider setting your banking app to apply a 3x or 5x multiplier to your spare change. For example, if you spend $4.20, your bank app will round up the purchase to $5 and then multiply the 80 cents by 5, automatically transferring $4 into your savings. This seemingly small adjustment can turn every swipe into a high-velocity savings engine. It's effortless and allows you to save significant amounts without feeling the pinch. Over time, this approach can add up to substantial savings that are automatically accumulating without you needing to make any changes to your spending habits or lifestyle. The beauty of digital change multipliers is that they make saving money feel nearly invisible. You don't need to consciously redirect extra funds or deprive yourself of small pleasures. Every purchase you make helps to build your savings account and accelerate your financial goals, simply by multiplying small amounts of spare change. 3. The 72-hour digital cart rule. Impulse buying has moved from physical stores to online shopping carts, making it easier than ever to make purchases on a whim. In 2026, we're flipping the script on impulsive spending by implementing the 72-hour digital cart rule. Before purchasing anything non-essential online, make it a habit to leave the item in your cart for at least 72 hours. This cooling-off period has several advantages. First, most retail apps and websites will send you discount codes or "we miss you" offers within 48 hours of abandoning a cart. These discounts, which can range from 15% to 20%, provide you with an opportunity to save money or reconsider your purchase. More often than not, after a few days, you'll realize that you didn't really need the item in the first place, saving you 100% of the cost. This simple rule gives you time to think before you buy. It acts as a psychological barrier that stops you from making unnecessary purchases that could drain your finances. By practicing the 72-hour digital cart rule, you can save significant amounts over time without compromising on your ability to shop. You'll also become more intentional with your purchases, focusing on what truly adds value to your life. 4. Direct-to-savings raise capture. One of the easiest ways to increase your savings without changing your lifestyle is to treat any extra income, such as a promotion, a side gig bonus, or even a tax refund, as invisible money. In 2026, instead of letting any pay increases or one-time income sources sit in your checking account, set up a system that automatically deposits 50% or more of that windfall directly into a brokerage or savings account before it even hits your main account. This strategy, known as direct-to-savings raise capture, helps to fight the common issue of lifestyle creep, where increased income is quickly spent on non-essential purchases. By automating the process of saving a portion of every raise or bonus, you ensure that your financial growth keeps pace with your increased income. While your standard of living improves slightly, your savings grow at an even faster rate. This approach is especially powerful because it's entirely automated. You won't even miss the extra money in your checking account since it's never there in the first place. Instead, it gets diverted directly into your savings or investments, where it can compound and grow over time. This simple habit can double your savings over the long term, while you continue enjoying the benefits of your income growth. 5. The time cost mindset flip. One of the most effective ways to filter out low-value spending is by flipping your mindset when considering purchases, especially larger ones. Before buying anything over $50, take a moment to calculate the cost of the item in terms of hours worked rather than just dollars spent. In a 2026 economy, viewing a new gadget as 12 hours of my life rather than $400 creates a psychological barrier that naturally curbs impulse buying. This mindset shift helps you prioritize your time and energy, ensuring that each purchase is truly worth the cost. Instead of seeing a gadget or a luxury item as just another expense, you'll start seeing it as a reflection of your time spent working. This subtle yet powerful shift in thinking allows you to make more thoughtful purchasing decisions. When you compare the actual time cost of an item to your hourly rate, many purchases suddenly feel less justifiable. This habit makes you more intentional with your spending, ensuring that your money is used for things that genuinely contribute to your well-being or long-term happiness. By using the time cost mindset flip, you'll naturally reduce unnecessary spending and redirect that money into savings or investments. Over time, this could lead to significant savings that would otherwise have been spent on low-value items. There you have it, the top 5 easy money habits that will double your savings in 2026. From automating your subscriptions to multiplying your digital change, these habits are designed to effortlessly build your wealth. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your savings and securing your financial future. Let me know in the comments which money habit you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next video.